Introducing Oz Optics' newest product, the inline multimode fiber Speckle Homogenizer, the compact, high-performance solution for clean, consistent laser output. This plug-and-play Speckle Homogenizer transforms how designers and system integrators approach fiber-delivered imaging systems by eliminating one of the most persistent challenges: speckle noise. Our inline fiber-based Speckle Homogenizer is designed to significantly reduce speckle noise in multimode fiber laser systems, delivering superior imaging quality across a broad spectrum of applications. As shown in our demonstration, when light passes through the inline Speckle Homogenizer, the light never leaves the fiber. It continues through the device, then is focused and detected by a sensor that captures the signal on the laptop display with the inline multimode fiber Speckle Homogenizer turned off. There is a large amount of unwanted speckle noise, as shown by the many high and low peaks here. This produces a very poor signal, unsuitable for any imaging applications. But as soon as the inline multimode fiber Speckle Homogenizer is turned on, the signal becomes clean and consistent, making it perfect for any imaging application. So, this is how the inline multimode fiber Speckle Homogenizer works. We are reducing speckle by more than 90%. Its compact, inline design requires no optical alignment and introduces zero loss, enabling rapid integration into both OEM and lab setups. End users benefit from dramatically improved imaging quality, system reliability, and operational consistency across applications such as biomedical imaging, interferometry, and machine vision. Supporting a broad wavelength and power range, this versatile solution reduces engineering complexity and accelerates time to market for cutting-edge optical systems. Key features and advantages: significantly reduces speckle by averaging modal noise, improving optical performance. Reduces speckle to ensure consistent and reliable output with enhanced image quality. Designed to fit into space-constrained applications, making it versatile and easy to integrate. Ensures the integrity of the optical signal as inline fiber device with zero optical loss. Whether you are developing the next generation of diagnostic instruments, high-speed imaging platforms, or precision measurement tools, this homogenizer will help you achieve the uniform illumination necessary for optimal system performance. Designed and built by Oz Optics, with integrated optics and electronics in one enclosure, it's precision made easy. Visit ozoptics.com to learn more.